Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
In our previous class, we have already started
Yes, ma'am.
the revision work. Okay. Now, in that revision work, we have done revision of lesson number 7. We have done revision of lesson number 7. Everybody understood? Breeds of dog. Next, we have also done lesson number 9. After 7, 9 important facts. Then National Park, lesson number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Indian environmentalist,
Yes, ma'am.
our nation,
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
the Constitution of India also,
Yes, ma'am.
and also completed. United States,
Yes, ma'am.
United Nations, sorry, completed. World quiz is remaining from 25, completed. Gobi Desert and all. Okay.
Yes,
Then next 26th, we have to start. We have completed, but revision work is remaining. Complete तो कर लिया था, but revision work में करना है अपन को. 26th, popular magazines. ये नहीं किया. 26 कर लिया था. Okay, then leading producers. Today we are going to start. कौन से करना है? Okay. So most of the students want to be for the revision for 26 again. Okay. So we'll start today our revision work from lesson number 26. Okay.
Yes.
Popular newspaper and magazines. Students at home, please write down your name in the chat box.
I'm written.
Write it in the chat box. Okay, now popular newspaper and magazine. Read the description and write the correct name. First, this is an American weekly news magazine. Now, American weekly news magazine. Which is it? Time magazine. So, American weekly news magazine, Time weekly. Second, the US magazine known for publishing the list of richest people in the world. लोग जो richest लोग हैं उनके बारे में जो US मैगजीन है वो कौन सी है? Forbes मैगजीन. FORBES. Forbes मैगजीन. Third, this is an American general interest family magazine. This is a family magazine. Published at time of the year. Reader's Digest. So make means in your mind make it clear that American general interest family. General interest family magazine. So family magazine has a Reader's Digest. Clear? This is a Chinese tabloid newspaper. Under the auspicious People Daily newspaper. So tabloid newspaper आएगा तो Global Times. Tabloid Global Times. Tabloid Global Times. General interest family.
Reader's Digest.
General interest family.
Reader's Digest.
Richest people in the world.
Forbes magazine.
Good. Richest person in the world.
Forbes magazine.
आया एक वर्ड पकड़ लो उसके हिसाब से अपना नाम टाइप कर लो. Then Pakistan oldest leading and most widely read English language newspaper. The Dawn. So Pakistan oldest. Pakistan oldest. Dawn. Pakistan oldest. Pakistan oldest. Then the magazine famous for publishing an annual list of top 500 US companies. 500 US companies. Fortune magazine. 500 US companies. 500 US companies. 500 US companies. Pakistan. Pakistan. Chinese tabloid. Chinese tabloid. General interest family. General interest family. That richest people in the world. Richest people in the world. Then American Weekly News Magazine. Time magazine. Then next is an international daily Forbes magazine newspaper published for London, UK. London, UK. The Daily Telegraph. London, UK.
The Daily Telegraph.
London, UK.
The Daily Telegraph.
London, UK.
The Daily Telegraph.
The daily tabloid newspaper published in UK.
The Sun.
Tabloid UK.
The Sun.
Tabloid UK.
The Sun.
Tabloid Chinese. Global Times. Chinese tabloid. दोनों में tabloid है, इसलिए मैं दोनों अलग अलग बोल रही हूँ. Chinese tabloid.
Global Times.
Chinese tabloid.
Global Times.
Tabloid UK.
The Sun.
Tabloid UK.
The Sun.
आया बात समझ में? Next. 27th, leading producers. Now pick the correct option by reading the given information. Which country tops the world in production of saffron? Iran. Saffron?
Iran.
Saffron?
Iran.
Which country is leading producer of copper in the world?
China.
Copper?
China.
Copper?
China.
Copper?
China.
Saffron? Saffron? Saffron?
Iran.
Copper?
China.
This country is currently the leading producer of petroleum. Petroleum.
USA.
Petroleum.
USA.
Then country is the largest producer of coal.
China.
Coal.
China.
Coal.
China.
Saffron.
Iran.
Saffron.
Iran.
Saffron. Copper. Copper.
China.
Petroleum.
USA.
Coal.
China.
Coal.
China.
Coal. China. Coal.
China.
Petroleum.
USA.
Coal.
China.
Petroleum.
USA.
Coal.
China.
Petroleum.
USA.
Copper.
China.
Saffron.
Iran.
Iran. Saffron.
Iran.
Country जरा. Natural diamonds. Natural diamonds. Natural diamonds. Natural diamonds. Mangoes in the world. Mangoes. जैसे याद रहेगा मैंगोज कहाँ मिलेंगे? इंडिया में. Mangoes, leading producer of mangoes. Leading producer of gold. Gold याद रहेगा. Gold. And mangoes. Saffron. Saffron. Saffron सबसे पहला वाला था. Saffron. Iran. Petroleum. Yes. Mangoes. Gold. Yes. Which country leads the world in production of rice and wheat? Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat. Gold. Coal. Coal भी China है. तीन एक तो coal, mangoes, gold, rice and wheat. चार का चाइना. कौन से चार है? राइस एंड व्हीट, गोल्ड, Cold,
China.
cold, cold. सही आ रहा है? तीन है? कोल्ड का है एक तो, एक गोल्ड का है, एक राइस एंड बीफ का है, तीन तीन का है, ठीक है ना? और मैंगो किसका है?
India.
Then great author is coming? No. Next which? 32. Lesson number 32 now. Now this is a little bit not clear. So what we are discussing in the class, students at home, please make a note in clear handwriting. मैं एक स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी, आप ढंग से लिख लेना, ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
बिकॉज इस पेपर पे लिखा नहीं जा रहा था, इसीलिए मैं बता। फर्स्ट जीरो, जीरो में क्या आएगा? अरेबिक। जीरो लैंग्वेज ऑफ ओरिजिन क्या है? अरेबिक। आप लोग अच्छे से लिख लीजिए स्पेलिंग समेत, ARABIC अरेबिक। जीरो अरेबिक, ARABIC अरेबिक। नेक्स्ट इज its meaning is zipper. Its meaning is zipper. Clear? Ambulance word origin is French और इसका क्या है? Specially equipped vehicle used to transport sick or injured. Specially equipped vehicle used to transport sick or injured. लिख लिया? Students at home written about second. Specially equipped vehicle. Nabia, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So specially equipped vehicle used to transport sick or injured.
Judge.
Next, barbecue.
Spanish.
Here Spanish will come. I am repeating the spelling. Those who have not written, it is not clear here. You can write it down. SPANISH. Spanish. Language origin of barbecue is Spanish. Spanish word से निकाला गया है ये word barbecue. SPANISH Spanish, and which means to cook in open fire. आजकल में ये हो गया है open fire में कुक करके, सर्दियां ज्यादा होती है, ओपन फायर कर लिया, सिगड़ी जला ली, यूज कर लिया, लकड़ियां जला ली और उस पर खाना बनाना शुरू कर दिया. तो कुक इन ओपन फायर. नाउ कॉस्मोनॉट. Cosmonaut, here it is not clear, but the word origin is Greek. GREEK, Greek. Greek, and meaning is astronaut. ASTRO and AUT.
Okay, ma'am.
TRANAUT. ओ होगा ना, ASTRONAUT. So barbecue word origin is Spanish. Cosmonaut word origin is
Fire.
Greek. Clear? Barbecue लिख लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then robot. Robot word origin is ZED. CZECH, and meaning is forced labor. Forced labor. FORCED, forced LABO, labor. और forced labor, जबरदस्ती का काम करवाना. रोबोट है, मशीन भी है, उसको क्या हम फोर्स करते हैं कि वो हमारे लिए काम करें, तो forced labor. Then bank word origin is Italian. Bank word origin is Italian. Write down here Italian. ITALIAN. Lian, Italian.
Ma'am.
Italian, Italian. And this meaning is money lenders. Meaning is money lenders. Next, cobra. Word origin is
40Q.
Portuguese. Cobra word origin is Portuguese. And what does it mean? Snake with a hood. Snake with a hood. वो ऐसे होता है ना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Hood. Snake with a hood. Snake with a hood. Next is khaki is a Persian word origin is Persian and meaning is dull yellowish brown color. Dull yellowish brown color. Khaki meaning is dull yellowish brown color. Those who are not having the book, at least you write down in the rough notebook, you will know. Then next is pole, P-O-L-L, pole. Meaning is?
German.
What origin is?
German.
German. Pole. Word origin is German. Here, pole word origin is German, G-E-R-M-A-N, German. And meaning is count by heads. Count by heads. हर एक को गिनना है. इसे बोलते हैं pole. Then satellite, Latin is the word origin. And meaning is?
An electronic device that is sent into space and moves around the Earth or another planet for a particular purpose.
Yes, good. You can write down an electronic device. An electronic device that is sent into space. An electronic device that is sent into space and moves around the Earth or another planet. And moves around the Earth or another planet for a particular purpose. For a particular purpose.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nandini, Keshav, Radhika, you also have written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next is joke. The word origin is Latin. And meaning is fun.
Jest.
Fun or jest. J-E-S-T, jest. F-U-N, fun. Fun निकलोगे तो भी हंसी मजाक करना. Fun or jest. J-E-S-T, jest. Clear? Then 12th T. Word origin is Chinese. C-H-I-N-E-S-E, Chinese. T word origin is Chinese and meaning is a drink. Then masala. Masala is the word origin is Urdu and meaning is mixture of ground spices Mixture
Used
of
in cooking.
ground, 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 spices, spices, used in Indian cooking. Used in Indian cooking. Used in Indian cooking. Mixture of ground spices, मसाले, पीसे हुए मसाले होते हैं जिनको इंडियन कुकिंग में यूज किया जाता है. Next, Bible. The word origin is Greek and meaning is the Christian scriptures. The Christian, 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 Christian scriptures.
Structure.
Christian scriptures. SCRIPTURES. Christian scriptures. Consisting, 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 consisting of the Old and New Testament, of the Old and New Testaments. TESTAMENT, नया और पुराना नियम जो होते हैं बाइबल दो भागों में डिवाइड होती है, नया और पुराना. Now next is Indian poets. 35
Excuse me, ma'am.
completed. 33 है.
मैम.
हाँ, यस
मैम आपने वो दी क्या?
हाँ जी.
एक मिनट मैम. मैम आपने जीके.
हाँ जी, बोले.
करंट अफेयर सेंड कर दिए क्या?
नहीं बेटा, अभी तक करंट अफेयर सेंड नहीं करे. मैं करूंगी तो मैं आपको ग्रुप में पहले करूंगी, ठीक है ना? अभी नहीं करें. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज लेसन नंबर 33. उसका मैं पीडीएफ निकालना भूल गई यहाँ पर. तो 35 से पहले 33 है आपका, ठीक है? क्रिएटेड कैरेक्टर्स वाला. 32 के बाद एक 33 लेसन भी है. क्रिएटेड कैरेक्टर्स. यस. फर्स्ट इज हैरी पॉटर.
जेके राउलिंग.
हैरी पॉटर, जेके रोलिंग. डेनिस
हैंक कैचमैन.
यस. हैंक कैचम. डेनिस हैंक कैचम. मिकी माउस, वर्ल्ड डिज्नी. मिकी माउस, वर्ल्ड डिज्नी. बग्स बनी, लियोन शेल्सिंगर प्रोडक्शन. पपाई, ईसी सेगर. पपाई, ईसी सेगर. मोगली, रुडियार्ड किपलिंग.
यार्ड किपलिंग.
यस. पीटर पैन, जेम्स मैथ्यू बैरी. मोगली, मोगली, रुडियार्ड किपलिंग. एंड पीटर पैन, जेम्स मैथ्यू बैरी. बैम्बी,
फेलिक्स सेल्टन.
फ्लिक्स शेल्टन. हेनरी हॉक, चंग जोन्स एंड रॉबर्ट मैकिम्सन.
मिक्सकिंसन.
डार्कविंग डक, Catstones. Dazzling duck. Catstones. Pinocchio. Carlo Collodi. Pinocchio. Carlo Collodi. Daffy Duck.
Tex Avery and Bob Clampett.
Tex Avery and Bob Clampett. Now next is
Famous poets.
which lesson now? 32, 33, 35. Coming to 35 Indian poets. First poet picture is Rabindranath Tagore. You can mark here also. First picture is Rabindranath Tagore. Second picture is of Sarojini Naidu. Lesson number 35. First Rabindranath Tagore, second Sarojini Naidu, third yes, Subramanyam Bharati, fourth Harivansh Rai Bachchan, fifth Javed Akhtar, fifth, sixth, sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Kalidas only? Seventh, Tulsidas only? Confusion तो नहीं है कालिदास और तुलसीदास में? And eighth, Ramdhani Singh Dinkar. I hope till lesson number 35 you have all completed. In the book,
Yes, ma'am.
every page is clear and understandable in your book. अच्छे से लिख लिया. Now 41 great discoverers. Lesson 41 great discoverers. The mathematical genius. Mathematical genius. Who is mathematical genius? Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. नाम से याद रखो. मैथमेटिकल जीनियस आएगा तो श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन. The next renowned physician and founder of India's space program. Founder of India's space program.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Sarabhai. Founder of India's space program. India space program आएगा तो विक्रम साराभाई. And mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. Then third, an eminent nuclear physicist. Nuclear physicist Raja Ramanna. Nuclear physicist. Then pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics.
Third,
Radio and microwave optics आएगा तो yes, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Then next is Nobel Prize in Physics. C.V. Raman. Nobel Prize in Physics.
43.
Now, did you know? Go through this also. Raja Ramanna is often considered as the father of Indian nuclear program. Who is considered as the father of Indian nuclear program?
Raja Ramanna. 43.
The world of computers. The internet started by US military in 1969 as a network of computers. ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Experimental Computer Network. That yet another hierarchical official oracle is better known as Yahoo. Short form is yet another hierarchical official oracle. इसका short form क्या है? Yahoo. By yet another का A, hierarchical का H, official का O, oracle का O. Yahoo. WWW stands for World Wide Web. Then what copying a file from internet to your computer is downloading. Then next, the first page. First page is home page. Then the internet people can gather and talk by typing message. Chat room. Then searching for sites on the internet. सर्फिंग, जब आप कोई साइट ढूंढते हो एनसीईआरटी की साइट या कुछ भी आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर की या करंट अफेयर्स की, तो क्या बोलते हैं आप? सर्फिंग कर रहे हो. The website of commercial organization on the internet .org. I hope this much is clear, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after 44, 48. 48 classical singers. 48 classical singers. Hindustani classical singer of Dadra, Thumri and Ghazal. Begum Akhtar. Hindustani classical singer of Dadra, Thumri and Ghazal. Begum Akhtar. या नाम आ जाए मलिका तरन्नुम, मलिका गजल, मलिका तरन्नुम, मलिका गजल, बेगम अख्तर. Then संतूर प्लेयर शिव कुमार शर्मा. संतूर प्लेयर
शिव कुमार
शर्मा. Then third
भीमसेन जोशी.
That is devotional music. Received the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor in 2009. 2009 में भारत रत्न किसको मिला था? भीमसेन जोशी. Then fourth Kumar Gandharv. That is Padma Vibhushan in 1990. कुमार गंधर्व. आपने करेक्शन कर लिया था 1990 का. 2001 को काटकर 1990 करना. Then he was an Indian Carnatic vocalist musician. Balamurali Krishna. Balamurali Krishna. Dr. Balamurali Krishna. Murali, huh?
49.
Next is, I hope this much is done by you all. Now 49, some divergent sports. Amusement ride developed for amusement parks. First one, roller coaster. Second, George Nishan loved bouncing so much that he made first from these metal frame. Metal frame का क्या बना था? Trampoline. Metal frame का क्या बना था? Then third, German forces during Second World War Frenchmen invented. Frenchman ने क्या invent किया था? Scuba diving. Yeah. And fourth, roller skates toward the sky. Skateboard. Fourth is skateboard. Roller skates आएगा तो skateboard. Roller skates आएगा तो skateboard. The objective of this sport is climbing a suspended vertical rope. Yes. Rope climbing. Fifth is rope climbing. Sixth, dodgeball. Sixth is dodgeball. Seventh, no mobile. Nabia, switch off your video. Okay, once again type present in the chat box. I hope 49 is clear. Now 50. Rhythm and beats. Javeri sisters are known for. Javeri sisters are known for. Javeri sisters are known for. Zakir Hussain is known for. Zakir Hussain is known for. Tabla. Then Shiv Kumar Sharma. Santoor. Shiv Kumar Sharma. Santoor. Next, Raja and Radha Reddy. Kuchipudi dance. Then Rukmini Devi. Bharatanatyam. Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Flute. Clear everybody, mark? First is Manipuri. Second is Tabla. Third is Santoor. Fourth is Kuchipudi dance. Fifth Bharatanatyam. And sixth flute. Now rapid fire. Nati folk dance belongs to which state? Himachal Pradesh. Then Legium dance belongs to Maharashtra. Third is first South Indian talkie called Kalidas. Third is and which was the first Indian film with the sound? Alamara. Fourth is Alamara. And fifth is Dada Saheb Phalke, father of Indian cinema.
Oscars.
Oscars. Lesson number 52, Oscars. The Oscar award was given by Academy of Motion Pictures, Art and Sciences.
AMPAS.
Short form is AMPAS. Academy, ACADEMY, Academy of Motion Pictures, MOTION, Motion Pictures, Art and Sciences. An Indian film which was shortlisted for final round of Oscar. Mother India. ये मोटर की जगह मदर लिख लेना, MOTHER, Mother India. Then Green Oscar is given in field of outstanding contribution to wildlife conservation.
Yes, ma'am.
Outstanding contribution to wildlife conservation. Then Oscar awards are given in more than a dozen. DOZEN, dozen. Then fifth, Oscar awards are also known as Academy Award of Merit. Academy Award of Merit.
Another Indian film which is a final Oscars was
GLENN, Glenn, double N. Then next is another film which we reached the final round of Oscars, Lagan, 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 and Ashutosh Gowrikar, GOWARIKER. Then Indian film director Satyajit Ray. Eighth is Ben-Hur, BENHUR, Ben-Hur. 1959, in bracket you can write on 1959. Titanic, 1997, and The Lord of Rings, 2003. Ninth is Bhanu Athaiya, BHANU Bhanu Athaiya, ATHAIYA.